Hey y'all, it's Mary, and this is Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and welcome to Mask Monday. I'm going to do this mask. This is from Skin Forum, and I did the eye masks that match this set last week. So this is this one's called Glam Straight Gold Foil Face Mask, and Camille is decided to come up. So let's get it started, and then I've got a few things to tell you all. I have a little friend mail, and I also have the winner from my Let's In Style video. If you watch that video through to the end, I had asked you to put an emoji in if you were interested in winning something. I have a, if y'all remember, well, I think I've shown that in a Temu haul. I have a nice pink bucket that I was putting papers in, and Camille has decided she fits in there very nicely, like a loaf pan with a cake in there. And so she just got on it, and who knows what she did because it fell off the table with her in it. So I'm sure they're fine, but okay. This mask is very saturated, and it comes in two pieces. So I'll put the bottom on first. That seems to work best for me, is if I have two pieces and I do the bottom first. It's very saturated. It's black on the side that goes towards your face. It smells good. I mean, it doesn't have much of a scent, but it is messy. Okay, so if you had put an angel emoji, I said I would do a giveaway, and I had a lot of things in that package, Let's In Style, in that video. I got a lot of fabulous gifts and you know, jewelry, accessories. So the winner will be able to choose a few pieces, and we'll go from there because I have a lot. So I may do another giveaway or include it in friend mail or something. I'm not sure. There's a lot of it. You know, that's the company that had like a set of earrings for $2.50, and then they gave you like 4 or 5 pairs of earrings. So now here's the top. Oh, this feels so good. You know, I don't know what y'all think about masking, but to me, it feels so good. It's so refreshing and comfortable. It is a very good thing to do when you just can be quiet and lean back. Not the very best thing to do while you're talking, but I'm going to talk. So anyway, if you haven't seen my Friday night gab, I went to the chiropractor finally. I did put it off. I put off going to the doctor because I have a regular doctor's appointment at the end of the month. So, but everything I read about what was going on with my shoulder could be a lot of things: bursitis and rotator cuff and pinched nerve and several other arthritis, whatever. So I figured, okay, I've never been a big sports person, like a tennis player or something, so I didn't think it was rotator cuff. Of course, it could be just from age. I thought, yeah, it could be arthritis, but this can't go on like this. I have arthritis in my knee and my ankle, and I know what that feels like, and it didn't feel like that. So I figured it was a pinched nerve with what I read. Okay, behave yourself, Camille. If you're coming over, you can come over. So I decided probably the best thing to do would be to go to the chiropractor. And I just didn't want to because I used to work for a chiropractor. I think it's a wonderful medical thing to do. It's just that the first time you go, they take x-rays of you. It's a long appointment. And I'm like, I don't have time for that. And since I haven't been in a very, very long time, like 20 years, I worked for a chiropractor over 20 years ago, and I hadn't been since then. So they'd have to do everything from scratch. And I didn't want to take the time to do that. But when you have, you know, 2 weeks, almost 2 weeks, what, 10, 12, 14 days went by, I'm like, I got to do something because I can't live like this. So went to the chiropractor on Friday, and I did go to the people that I used to work for. They're retired. The doctor that was there was retired, and it's his daughter and her husband that are there now. And I do know them a little bit. And when I worked there 20 years ago, the daughter was in school, and that's where she met her husband. And they're great people, and I enjoy the place. And it's a different location because they have more stuff there now. They have things for therapy and such. So I got adjusted. I got some ice packs. You know, I got shown my x-rays. I am off my, you know, they take x-rays of the whole spine, and I'm a wreck. But I already knew that. I have trouble with my knee and my ankle, so my hips are out of place. My hip is, I'm higher on the right side. Anyway, I'm not gonna preach about chiropractic. I know people, you either like it or you don't, and that's okay. For me, after working there, I didn't know much about it before, but after working there, I learned, you know, our brain and our spine, everything comes off of our spine. So if that's not working well, then you're going to have trouble with your extremities. So that's like that, you know. Okay, so got adjusted, got my neck adjusted. You know, I mean, he did the whole, you know, the whole spine. And then after you get adjusted, you usually feel fabulous for a little while, and then you hurt more than before you went because it's just, you know, it's like any therapy. If you go for therapy because you broke your wrist, you know, that's what's going to happen until you build up your strength. So they have to work with me. I have bone on bone compression. They hope that the cushions, whatever that's called, I can't remember, is still there. So if they can decompress me some, then you know, I can. I'm never going to have the spine of a 20-year-old again, but they can definitely help me. And then once you go for therapy for a little while, then eventually, once you're well, so to speak, then you just go like once a month. And if you do that the rest of your life, it will be helpful. So that's what I like to do. So my insurance doesn't cover very much. It's I don't want to go into all that. But anyway, I had to break down and do it because I had to. So again, this is the mask I'm doing. And it's really cute. I like it. I've done it before on Mask Monday. It just feels good. And the reason I'm trying to, I have some masks that are going to expire. So I'm trying to do that. So anyway, I got some friend mail and this beautiful card, this envelope. This is from Lori Daniel. She's a longtime subscriber. And she sent me this card. And, oh, that's funny, Lori, because you have my name and Mary Flanagan, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, and then she has my address, P.O. Box, but she didn't put a number in. But they knew me at the post office. Look at that. They put it in for her. 85 is my post office box. So anyway, that's nice that they know me. So Lori, let's see what's in here. I did cut the top, but I didn't look inside. Lori, y'all, is having some health issues, so please say a prayer for her. I know a lot of us have health issues. I try to keep everybody in my prayers. So, oh, there's some nice stickers in here. Okay, hang on. Let's go with the card first. Oh, that's so cute. I love that card. With the shoe. This is from Hallmark. It says, to Mary, thank you for the mask. Oh, I love it. I had sent out some masks to a few people. There were 17 people that had won a mask in a video a while back, and I said, if y'all want a mask, just ask me. And Lori said she didn't win, so she's like, yeah, can you send me a mask? I'd like to try one. So I did. So she said, saying thank you. Well, you didn't have to do this, Lori, but thank you. Says, I wish you all the happiness in the world. 2K real soon. Love, Lori. Thank you, Lori. That's very sweet of you. Thank you so much. I love that card too. And then she sent me this beautiful postcard. It says, today's prayer. And it says on the back, but the Lord stood with me and gave me strength. That is 2 Timothy 4:17. Beautiful. Thank you, Lori. I'm going to put that on my board at work that I look at every day. I appreciate that very much because the Lord does give me strength. And then she sent me some stickers. So let's see, they're beautiful. There's this pretty, why do these things go out of my head? Beautiful shell. It's a shell. We know it's a shell, but I know the name of the shell. I just can't think of it. And there's another one. Oh my goodness, y'all. And there's this cute, look at this cute teddy bear with holding a heart. That's so cute. Thank you, Lori. And this one says blessed with a pretty flower behind it. And what does it say? Oh, it says go home. Go home, okay. And be happy. And today is your day. That's beautiful with the daisies. Today is your day. And this one has a daisy and then it says, oops, that's cute. And there's two more. It's gonna be okay. That's beautiful. And then this one is, you are the light of the world. Thank you, Lori. Those are pretty. Thank you. I will definitely be using those. I appreciate that. And that card is beautiful. Thank you so much, Lori, for thinking of me. I really do appreciate that. And y'all, the winner for the video Let's In Style, I'll link it below so you can see it if you missed it. Fabulous stuff. Great website for y'all to go check out if you need gifts of any kind. Any kind of jewelry and accessories. The prices are incredible. And the winner is Tori Birch. So Tori, get with me and let me know what you liked from that video, and I'll send you a few things, okay? And that is my video for today. There's a lot of people that do Mask Monday, so go see them. I have the hashtag Mask Monday Ladies, Mask Monday Friends, and Mask Monday. So with those three hashtags, you should be able to find a lot of people doing this. And what a lot of this is, well, skincare. Take care of yourself, take care of ourselves, and also just to collab with each other and have this open collab. And for y'all at home to join in, take a little care of yourself, even if it's just for this 15, 20, 30 minutes on a Monday. Take a little care of yourself. So if you're watching me or you're watching others, maybe you can do a mask or an eye mask or something to take care of yourself. There's mud masks, there's peel off masks, there's all kinds of masks. You can use yogurt as a mask. I think I said this last week. If you don't have the money to buy masks, at the Dollar Tree sells them for just $1.25 now, maybe even $2 for that price. You can find them fairly cheap. And if you don't have that, you can make masks for yourself. You can Google it and find all kinds of masks. Like I said, you can use just yogurt. You can use oatmeal mixed with things, milk and such. You can do all kinds of things. So take a few minutes to take care of yourself, because if you don't, nobody will. And we're all pretty busy people, and we need to take better care of ourselves. So y'all, thanks for stopping by, and count your blessings. And I'm going to leave this on a little bit longer. Take care, y'all. Bye-bye.